Welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Always Alyssa. Guess what? Just a few days ago, I went to a super exciting influencer event. I had a great time. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the really cool products I got and some of the clothes I got, because at these type of events, they let you try out new products for the fall, like skincare stuff, maybe even sunblock or makeup, and even some clothing items, which is all super cool. And I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite items. I'm also going to be trying some of the stuff on that I got there. Alyssa and I are heading into an event. Just us. We're so excited. Here we go. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this view. This view, oh my gosh. This is amazing, right? I loved it. Wow. We're gonna be down there in a second. Alyssa looks good. So cute, I love it. So cute. Well, we have our stuff. We're gonna have to head home soon, even though we don't want to leave. Well, we had fun, didn't we?
It was so much fun.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This view is incredible. I guess we have to leave now.
Yeah, sadly.
Oh, we found a little friend.
So you would call it a puppy?
He's actually really big.
Oh.
He's not moving. Oh, Alyssa.
That was an accident.
That guy is stone cold.
He's not scared at all.
Not scared. He is like holding his ground right there. Before I get to the clothes back there, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite things that I got besides the clothes. So first of all, I have these Gimme Hair Health Gummies. And the reason I love them so much is because how amazing they taste. Like every day I will look forward to taking these just because of the flavor. They're so good. Next, I'm going to be trying out this new type of hair tie. First of all, they're super, super soft, very stretchy, and they're supposed to like not leave any like dents or wrinkles like in your hair after you put it in, because that kind of happens with other ponytails and I'm not a fan of that. So I think these are going to be super cool to try them out. I've tried them out only once, but I'm hoping to use them some more, so that's going to be fun. My next favorite thing is this mascara. It works great. I've already used it a few times, and it's pretty small, so you can like put it in your bag, you know, travel size. But anyways, look at the wand. Super amazing. I can't wait to use it some more. I have to admit, I didn't used to like mascara, but ever since I started doing my makeup, it's been my favorite thing to use. Next up is this eye cream. It's supposed to help with dark circles and wrinkles. I use it like every single day. I love using it though because it's so refreshing. This foaming cream cleanser is also super refreshing. It's part of a 4-step skincare like routine. I used it for the first time the other day and I loved it. Last but not least, probably the most unique thing that I got is this blue light mist. And you might be wondering, what is that? So I will tell you, it's just a little spray you put on your face, kind of like that. You can massage it in, but the point of it is to help with like preventing wrinkles, because apparently blue light can cause wrinkles. And if you don't know what blue light is, it's the light that comes from your phone or your iPad or laptop or a TV screen. That's blue light. And in today's world, we kind of use a lot of that, so I was excited to use this. Now I just have to try on some of this clothes for you. So first, I'm gonna try on the jacket, because I have to admit, this is probably one of my favorite items that I got. It's super cute, super comfy. It's a leather jacket. Here, let me just, look at that. It's so cute. I mean, I'm sure it would look better with a better shirt, obviously. But you guys get it. I think it's pretty cute. I just love how it looks, and I haven't actually worn it yet anywhere, so I'm excited to wear it for the first time. Also, these pants I got are super cool because, check it out, they're literally like shiny silver. I love these pants so much. Here's the dress. It is so cute. Also, you're able to like roll up the sleeves if you wanted them to get shorter like this. But look at how good it fits. I love this one so much, and the length is cute too. I also really love this dress. All the pockets are so cute. Well, we're home, and we're going to show you guys everything we got in our bags, as we always do. Let's start with the soap. We got this really good soap.
Smells very good.
We got, what else?
It also came with the men's soap.
Oh yeah, men's soap.
We're giving it to David or something.
A lash and brow mask.
Nice.
What else? Oh, something Alyssa's very excited about. Can we pull it out?
Ooh, hairbrush.
A brush.
Very excited about this.
got this brush.
Ooh, I think I'm gonna try it right now. It
Ooh,
looks really nice.
Along the lines of hair stuff, look how cute.
That is very
You
cute.
got the same color as me. We got these cute clips for our
The
hair.
brush works very well. I approve.
Let's see, this is my water that I didn't drink.
A couple papers.
What else? This is a cute little bag. Look at this. Oh, cute hair clips.
Cute.
And what's inside the bag? Inside the bag is, oh, a blender.
Ooh, nice.
And a couple other things. What is this? Lip oil. Blush
Lipstick,
drops.
lip liner.
Yeah, eyeliner. Okay, what else did we get? This is
A random drink.
eye cream.
Nice.
And we got some different like digestive aids. What is this one? Heartburn and indigestion relief. So there's some of those things. Last one, a gluten digestive aid. Interesting. So there's that. We got, is this a lotion? It says lotion hydrant.
Is it?
Oh, hydrating mist. I was reading the wrong one.
Oh, yes.
Hydrating mist. We like this kind of stuff. And oh, this is the Greek yogurt one. It says it's for
yeah.
dark circles. It's wide awake eye gel.
Nice.
Kind of excited about that.
That's cool.
Oh, are you doing your face with that? Okay.
Next, we got these hair health gummies.
We like gummies.
Yes. Nice.
I feel like I have a soap bar that wasn't in a soap thing. Do you have one too?
Yes.
I have some soap bars that are randomly in my bag. They do smell really good. You can really smell all these.
Oh, yeah.
Alyssa showed her clips already, but here's my clips. What's this? Oh, leave-in conditioner.
Ooh, yes.
We were really excited about this one. I love leave-in conditioner, so I was happy about it. This is a skin reset mask and something else for your skin.
This stuff is really cool. It's blue light mist. Apparently it protects against blue light, right?
Yeah, it's like a setting spray that protects your skin against UV rays and blue light.
Which is like phone screens, right?
Yeah,
That's pretty cool.
like that's cool.
I never heard of that.
Me either. What is this? Oh, a little hand sanitizer.
Nice. I could use one of those.
Then we got, what is this one, Alyssa? Oh, this is the cleanser that is also made of Greek yogurt. That's exciting. And we got some random little supplements.
These are the drink mixes, I think.
This is a healthier electrolyte drink mix-in thing. That's what these are.
Some hair ties.
I was just grabbing this too. That's like basically it. Oh, we got some more vitamins. These are all organic. So there's like
Kelly, can you bring it back?
zinc. This is for hair growth.
Thank you.
So these are kind of cool. Pumpkin seed. What does this do? I don't know what it does, but pumpkin seed oil does something for you. So we got these and we were excited about it. It was very fun. We had a very good time.
Super fun.
Going to this. Okay, last but not least, we got this. It is, well,
like a
I'm sure you
fan
guys
one.
all know what it is. You can curl your hair, it like dries while it
And brush.
curls and brushes your hair, and it looks really nice. It's like a cute rose gold color with like white, so I think it's pretty cute.
Yeah.
I'm excited to try this because, well, we don't always do our hair, but we could do better. So maybe this will help us. But these clips are cute too, huh?
I really do like those clips. They're super cute.
I love them. They're like iridescent.
Yeah.
That's basically our haul. We had a lot of fun.
I'm excited to try some of this stuff out.
Me too. It was gorgeous there, wasn't it?
It's super pretty.
The view was amazing. It was so awesome.
And the pool's cool too.
Yes. Anyway, that's that. Hope you enjoyed. We know you guys like to see the kind of stuff that we get when we go to this kind of stuff. Wow! And Chloe is showing us herself in sunglasses, which is so cute. Come show. Wanna come say hi? Come here. Come here.
Fancy.
Say hi. Wow. No.
She got
No.
camera shy.
There's better places to be right now, isn't it? Wow. She wants us to see, but not you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.